How can I transfer money from my Payoneer account to your Binance account? So for this, we will just need to understand that to transfer money from your Payoneer balance to your Binance account, there is not too direct thing to do because there is no direct feature to transfer amount from your Payoneer to your Binance. But yes, we can do one thing, that is an alternative method we will show in this video. So watch the video till the end and understand that how we can do it. Firstly, we will log into our Payoneer account here on our website. Let me click that, open it on my browser on another tab here. Here you have to sign in with your email ID and your password, that is your Payoneer password. And please make sure that you are entering the correct details, because if you enter it wrong, the account will be locked for you about 48 hours. So enter your email ID and your password here. Now, once you click on login button, you will be logged into your Payoneer account. The thing is to understand that when you log into your Payoneer account, whenever you will have any balance on your Payoneer account, it will be automatically transferred to your bank account. And if not, you can manually transfer the amount from Payoneer to your bank account, and then we will start the second step, that is Binance. Now, suppose that you have withdrawn the money from your Payoneer account to your local bank account, and then you have to add money to your Binance account using the same bank account in which you have the money. So yes, that is quite easy to do it. As you will see on the Binance homepage, while you click on the deposit, and here you can see that buy with euro option is available. Embrace the variety of payment method. You simply have to click on the euro payment method, select your chain, select the currency which you want to buy or deposit the amount, and then you can simply copy the wallet address. After that, you will simply can add the money into your account. Thank you so much for watching.